Now in the third paragraph, he should be snarling around houses at the jungle edge, bearing his white fangs, his claws, terroring the villagers. Sometimes the tiger can enter in the boundaries, in the colonies of human. Snarling means making an aggressive growl, showing teeth. Ooh. Around means in the directions. At the jungle edge. At the jungle edge means at the outer area of jungle. When he comes snarling around the houses which are settled at the edge of the jungle, at the boundary of the jungle, bearing his white fangs. Bearing means not covered with. Fangs means his long sharp teeth. When he was showing his long sharp teeth, his claws means panje, terroring the villagers. When he comes to the village, people will fear. It's a natural thing. So in this paragraph, he is also a jungle tiger, but he is locked in concrete cell. Concrete cell means a cell, a room which is made from brick, cement. Locked. He is locked in the room. He is locked in the cell. His strength behind bars, because he cannot do anything. He cannot attack on a deer. He cannot make fear people. Stalking the length of his cage. Stalking means walking from one wall to the other wall of his cage. Ignoring visitors. When he was in the village, people were afraid from him, but when the tiger was in the cage, people ignore, and he also ignores people because he cannot do anything. He hears the last voice at night. The patrolling cars, and stares with his bright eyes. This is also about jungle. When the forest officers patrolling in the jungle, the tiger can also hear the patrolling cars, their voice. He stares with his bright eyes at the brilliant stars. When he was in jungle, he can see on stars. So here he is in forest. He stalks in his vivid